I'm here at 156. Let's go up to 18. Yeah, disclaimer, the OTs and the EM are not live towards anymore. I'm just gonna make it as a normal video. So yeah, if not, we have too many live to parts. Yeah, the bell must press so hard. Going up. Story 18. Story 18. Let's send this lift down to what? Oh, to roof access. Both have the same thing as Fujitec. Just waiting. Let's look outside the view. Let's go down to 1. The lift tour will just be 2 parts. Yeah, this will just all be a normal video now. So sorry y'all if I confuse you a bit. Ring ring. Going down. Going up. Here we are at 1. Let's go to block 157 for the Fujitec. Okay, I'm at 157. 2 Fujitecs, one that's on the staircase too. Let's skip. Here comes the elevator. Ta-da. Going up. Let's go to 11. Doors are closing. Going up, going down. Doors are closing. Ding. Story 11. With some work. Let's go down to 1. Going down. I have some cardboard flooring now. Going up, going down. Doors are closing. So it should be a replace button. Story 1. Story 1. Ding ding. Let's take lift B. They did use this lift. Ding 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 ding. Ding ding. Let's walk to 9. No announcements. This looks like those MRT stations from the downtown. This block to feature a new HDB block. Story 9. Let's go down to 1. Here we are at, oh wait, not yet. Here we are at 1. Okay, after this I'm gonna go to block 60. So stay tuned for block 60 later. Bye!